This video is for educational purposes. Brisbane is the capital of the state of Queensland and the third most populous city in Australia and Oceania, with a population of approximately 2.6 million. Brisbane lies at the centre of south-east Queensland, which includes several other regional centres and cities. The central business district is situated within a peninsula of the Brisbane River about 15 kilometres, 9 miles, from its mouth at Moreton Bay. Brisbane is located in the hilly floodplain of the Brisbane River Valley, between Moreton Bay and the Taylor and Deguiller mountain ranges. It sprawls across several local government areas, most centrally the city of Brisbane. The demonym of Brisbane is Brisbaneite. Subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so you get notified each time we upload a new video. The Moreton Bay Penal Settlement was founded in 1824 at Redcliffe as a place for secondary offenders from the Sydney colony, and soon moved to North Quay in 1825 on the banks of the Brisbane River, so named for British Army General and Governor of New South Wales Sir Thomas Brisbane. German Lutherans established the first free settlement of Zion Hill at Nunda in 1838, and in 1859 Brisbane was chosen as Queensland's capital when the state separated from New South Wales. By the late 19th century, the city had grown into a major port and centre of immigration. During World War II, the Allied command in the Southwest Pacific was based in the city, along with the headquarters for General Douglas MacArthur of the United States Army. Brisbane is a global centre of research and innovation, and ranks in the top 10% for its innovation environment out of 500 cities worldwide, with leading strengths in medicine and biotechnology, as well as a major tech base centered on Fortitude Valley. A transport hub, Brisbane is served by large rail, bus and ferry networks, as well as Brisbane Airport and the Port of Brisbane, Australia's third largest seaport. A diverse city with over 36% of its metropolitan population being foreign-born, Brisbane is frequently ranked highly in lists of the most livable cities. Galleries and museums are an important part of the city's culture, with the most prominent being the Queensland Art Gallery and Gallery of Modern Art. Brisbane has hosted major events including the 1982 Commonwealth Games, World Expo 88, the final Goodwill Games in 2001, the 2014 G20 Summit, and will host the 2032 Summer Olympics and 2032 Summer Paralympics. Brisbane is a popular tourist destination. Major landmarks and attractions include South Bank Parklands, the City Botanic Gardens, King George Square and City Hall, the Story Bridge, the Mount Coot-tha Botanic Gardens and Lookout, and the Lone Pine Koala Sanctuary. Brisbane is named after the Brisbane River, which in turn was named after Sir Thomas Brisbane, the Governor of New South Wales from 1821 to 1825. The name is derived from the Scottish Gaelic bris, meaning to break or smash, and the Old English word ban meaning bone. A historic nickname for Brisbane was the Queen City of the North whilst more recent for popular nicknames for the city include Brissy, Brisvegas, and the River City. Brisbane sits on land, known also as Meanjean, the name used in the Turrbal language of one group of traditional owners. Meanjean means place shaped as a spike G, referencing the shape of the Brisbane River along the area that Brisbane CBD now straddles. A contemporary Turrbal organization has also suggested it means the place of the blue water lilies. Local elder Gadja Carey Charlton posits that Meanjean is based on a European understanding of spike G, and that the phonetically similar Yagara name Meganjan, after the native tulipwood trees, Megan, at Gardens Point, is a more accurate and appropriate Aboriginal name for Brisbane. Aboriginal groups claiming traditional ownership of the area include the Yugara, Turrbal, and Quandamooka peoples. Brisbane is home to the land of a number of Aboriginal language groups, primarily the Yugara language group, which includes the Turrbal language. The city is also known as Meanjean, a Turrbal word that originally referred to land on which parts of the city are built, or as Meganjan, a Yagara word referring to the tulipwood tree. Aboriginal Australians had lived in coastal southeast Queensland for at least 22,000 years, with an estimated population between 6,000 and 10,000 individuals before European settlement in the 1820s. Aboriginal groups claiming traditional ownership of the area include the Yugara, Turrbal, and Quandamooka peoples. A website representing a Turrbal culture organization claims that historical documents suggest that the Turrbal peoples were the only traditional owners of Brisbane when British settlers first arrived. Archaeological evidence suggests frequent habitation around the Brisbane River, and notably at the site now known as Musgrave Park. The rivers were integral to life and supplied an abundance of food included fish, shellfish, crab, and prawns. Good fishing places became campsites and the focus of group activities. The district was defined by open woodlands with rainforest in some pockets or bends of the Brisbane River. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so you get notified each time we upload a new video. See you in the next video.